Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make purchasing decisions that won't leave your wallet crying in the corner. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. We're comparing the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 2 and the CORSAIR RM850 from 2021. If your power supply can't keep up with your gaming rig, you might as well be running on hamster power. So let's find out who will come out on top, the Cooler Master or the CORSAIR. First up, let's talk money. The Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V2 is priced at $99, which many reviewers appreciate as a great value for this performance. One reviewer noted that they upgraded to a modular power supply and were thrilled with the results, especially given the price. On the other hand, the CORSAIR RM850 is priced at $139, which some users felt was a bit steep, but worth it for its quality and performance. One reviewer who built their first PC found the CORSAIR PSU easy to install and worth the cost. So if you're on a budget and want to save some dough, the Cooler Master could be your best friend. But if you want to splurge, CORSAIR might be your wingman. Next up, we have modular design. The Cooler Master boasts fully modular flat black cables, perfect for reducing clutter. Reviewers have praised its ease of cable management, although some mentioned that the included cables were stiff and difficult to route. Meanwhile, the CORSAIR RM850 is also fully modular and comes with triple EPS 12V connectors, which users found advantageous for modern builds. One reviewer highlighted the quality of the components and ease of installation, making it a favorite among first-time builders. No more playing guess the cable. Now let's cool things down with the cooling systems. The Cooler Master features a 120mm hydrodynamic fan that operates quietly, which users have appreciated. One reviewer noted that it runs cool and quiet, making it a top choice. The CORSAIR, on the other hand, has a 140mm rifle-bearing fan and a 0 RPM fan mode, which is a huge plus for users looking for silence. Many reviews praise the CORSAIR for its ability to stay cool under pressure, and one user even called it a stealthy power supply due to its quiet operation during low loads. Who doesn't want that? Finally, let's talk build quality. The Cooler Master has high temperature resilience, but the CORSAIR takes it to the next level with industrial-grade 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors. Reviewers have pointed out the CORSAIR's robust build and long-lasting quality. One user noted that investing in a good power supply is crucial for overall computer health, and they have had no issues with the CORSAIR after 2 years. The Cooler Master is reliable too, but the CORSAIR is often seen as the superhero of power supplies, built to last. In summary, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V2 is highly praised for its affordability and solid performance, while the CORSAIR RM850 is celebrated for its superior build quality and quiet operation. Reviewers generally appreciate both products, but lean towards CORSAIR for its durability and extra features. So there you have it, folks. In this electrifying showdown, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V2 took the crown for the best price and cable management, while the CORSAIR RM850 flexed its muscles with superior cooling and build quality. It really depends on what you value more, saving some bucks or having that extra peace of mind with a top-tier product. If you enjoyed this power-packed comparison, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Buy Smart content, and let us know in the comments which PSU you'd choose. Until next time, keep it smart and keep it powered. Waves.